What's up, y'all? I've been a little busy, but here's the coop. "12x6" dog kennel with the little coop here. This is where they're gonna be breeding. Oh, she got an egg already. Cool. There wasn't no egg in there like 5 minutes ago. So she doing her thing. There it is. Very simple, easy. Get more nest boxes in here soon when I have more. But as for now, I think this is what I'm gonna start with. Let them breed out. Got another 2 pairs in the garage, so I better eat up. German owl. It's the hen. There goes the cock. And that white hen in there that had eggs is paired up with him. King of the coop right now, bossing everybody around. That hen goes with him. He got red eyes too, both of them. Color eye. Beautiful bird. Thanks to my buddy Nate. But there it is. Plain and simple. This will hold well over 20 birds. But I don't need that many.